Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more new built-in function that is subst. So for the demonstration of same, here I have created one program. So let's go through that program. So as usual, today also we are using the fully free format for writing the code. And for the same, I have write star star free on the first position of line number 6. So it means from here, all the line will be considered as a fully free format. And below to that I am declaring some control option that is for debugging purpose, no debug IO and src okay. After that, what we are doing, we are just declaring two variables. One is technology, which is of a character type of length 30, and another one is a result variable, which is also a character type of same length 30. And below to that we are just assigning some string to that variable. So I have assigned rpgle to this technology variable. Now here we will learn about the exact meaning of percent sub-st. So percent sub-st function is used to extract particular string portion from a string. Okay, so let's assume like we have a string, like here we have rpgle, and from this string you want to fetch only these three letters. Okay, so in that case uh, we have to use this percent sub st built-in function. So what it will do, it will fetch or extract these three letters or any specified letter from the string. So syntax of this function is as follows. Like firstly you have to write percent sub st, then you have to pass first parameter argument as a source string on which you want to perform a substring. After that, af- after one more column you have to write starting position. So let's say I want to extract the data from this particular position, that is third. So I will put my starting position as 3, and then we have to put colon, and after colon you have to put the exact length which you want to extract. So let's say I have started my extraction from this position 3, and after that I just want these three letters. So what I will do, I will put 3 here. Same thing we are doing in line number 24. So here we are using percent subst in on variable technology, and my starting position is here 3. So I want to extract it from this position, and length I want to extract is also 3. So I want only these three letters. And below to that we are just displaying the result and setting the star inlr request to star on. So let's compile this program and see whether we are getting the output or not. So I am compiling it by taking 14 and I'm calling it. So we got the output as a GLE, which is correct and expected because we are extracting from third position and of three characters. Let's say I want to extract only these two value P and G. So how we will change it? So for that we have to start the extraction from position 2. So let's make it starting position as 2, and after that we just want two characters because from this position we want two character P and G. So again here we will pass 2. Okay, not here, starting position is 2 and length is 2. So what it will do, it will start the extraction from this position and P position, and then it will extract two letters. So just check whether we are getting the output. So yes, we are getting the desired output, we got the PG. Okay, so one more thing, like it is not mandatory that we have to put these value equal. It is just as per your requirement. Let's say if I want to extract only one character from this position, so I can pass one also. So now my length is 1, so it will return only P. So if I compile it and call it again, so yes, we got only P because we have changed the length to only 1. So that's how we use this percentage sub-st built-in function, and it is mainly used for extracting some portion of the string. So if you want to extract the string substring from a particular string, then in that case you can use percent sub-st function. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.